So hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. So welcome back to Annie the Busy Beauty.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way.
If you're new here, you're very much welcome. If you're my old Shabi, you know that you're my OG, you're always welcome. So guys, today I'm going to share with you. I bought a guest bag, like a handbag, and I just wanted to share with you. So it's unboxing and showing you. Although I was so curious because sometimes you can buy something online and then it comes something else. And it's like 1 week now since I bought it, and I didn't want because it's a designer bag. They were giving me like only 5 days if I didn't like it to return it. But so I had to check it. I had to check and make sure if it was what I ordered. And yes, so I treated myself for Christmas. I work very hard. No. Anyway, I decided to treat myself for Christmas and buy myself a designer bag. And it's a guest bag and it's a handbag, a black one, and I love it so much. So guys, it came in this box, this kind of box. And I already opened it, like I've told you guys, because of the returning time that I had that they gave me, because I think that's what they do with these designer bags. So I decided to open and check and do the unboxing later and show you guys and the review. So guys, it came in that box and I'm going to open it because I have my address on top of the box. And inside, this is how it looks from inside. And I'm just going to show you what they have inside. So inside they have, like, if it wasn't the bag that you expected, or how you expected it to look, or you didn't like it, this is the return code. You can just put it in the box, and then on the other hand they have the receipt here. I'm not gonna show you because they have my address. They have the receipt and everything here. And then they have the bag, and the bag is like this, is wrapped like this. I don't know what's that, something just small. It's wrapped like this, as you can see. So let's just remove the paper, and this is the bag. Guys, how beautiful is that? Oh, I love it. I love it, guys. It's so soft. It's so nice. And it's written guest there. And it has this, they packed it very nicely. As you can see, guys, they packed it very nicely. So I haven't actually opened it, the whole thing. So I'm going to do that. Let me put this box down on the other seat. So they have this paper here, I think, for it not to, and then they have these ones here, and then they have the card. So this is Guess Los Angeles, and they got, the bag is black, and the style and everything, it's written there. Oh, okay, so remove that, and I'm going to remove this, the paper. They wrapped it very nicely. I'm just going to open it now. So as you can see, it has two handles. I think one is short. Let me remove the plastic paper. Oops. How do you remove this? Let me just take my scissors. So sit nicely, just a little bit backward so you guys can see me nicely. So I'm going to cut the paper here. So let me see, do in a cut wide. But okay, so it's coming out softly like that. Okay, so looks like this. And then we have this short one. Let me cut this one out. See, so, and we still have something here. It's the kind of the Guess the Guess logo or something. Yes, they wrap it very nicely so it doesn't. So this is the Guess whatever. It's like, see, I guess, and then they have the G here, say Guess, and then they have this Guess. So yes, that is there. So it has the short one, and it has the long one, which you can you see, you can put it like this, or you can wear it like this, or you can just wear it like this. So let's remove this, the white one. See, now it's gonna be, yeah. Okay, then I show you inside. So this is how you remove it. It's just a paper, and then inside the bag, this is how it's packed. Okay, so inside they have a bag, a Guess bag, and this is how, so you can put your bag so it doesn't get dirty. So this is how it looks like, the Guess bag. So you put your bag and then you store it, so you don't have to have your bag don't have to get dust, because it's yeah, a nice bag. And then inside they have just papers. I think, yeah, it's just papers to keep it in shape. All the papers are written Guess, 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 just like this, Guess, Guess, Guess. Oh, it's a big bag. And then they have this. Oh guys, it's a very nice bag, as you can see, very big. It has a component here, you can put your coins or whatever. And then they have another place here, and they have another 2 place, and then it has here, and then it has this side where you can put your phone or whatever. So it's a very big bag, as you can see. It's very nice. So you just close it, and the handbag, you can wear them. Let me show you. First of all, you can then you close it here, close it just like that, just like that. So if you like, you can wear it with short, you can wear it with a short hand like this, guys, or you can wear it the long way. This one goes here because it's a Guess whatever, so it goes there, I think. Yeah, just like that. And then this one you can wear like this, long. Let's just see, you can wear it long. And then, or you can wear it 3 times, 3 ways, or you can just put it like this. You can just wear it like this and like this, and then you're good to go, like this. So you're good to go. So yeah, you can put it 3 ways. This way you can put this shorter, longer, this longer one, or you can just put, if you like, you can just wear it like this, which is pretty beautiful when you don't want to, when you're just going in your car. Yes, so yes, this is the Guess bag I have. I treated myself for Christmas, and you guys, it's cute. Let me bring it closer to you. You see the pattern? Oh, I love it. I love it. It's simple because I don't like complicated things, and I'm not that bag person. I have a lot of handbags, but I'm not that handbag person. I always carry I have a leather brown bag that I always carry with me everywhere. Like, that is a small bag, but I have other bags. So I decided, you know what, let me treat myself with one guest bag, and I decided I'll be treating myself. So the next one is going to be Gucci bag or something like that, or my Cocos, or yeah, just to treat myself. Life is too short, my friend. Too short, very short. Allah. So yes, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you also like the bag, how it looks like. I love it. I love it. The first time I saw it, I was like, oh my god. And it feels so soft and so nice and so steady. The material is very nice, you know. And I was just happy that I got it. So yes, guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Be blessed, be you, do you, all will fall into its perfect place. And if you're seeing my face for the first time and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please just click that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the bell, so every time I upload new video, you get a notification that I have new video on my channel. And you're very much welcome, and yeah, be blessed, be you, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.